Karnataka Governor Thawar Gehlot has issued a fresh notification allocating portfolios to Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar and 22 other cabinet ministers with immediate effect. The order dated 12th August 2026 has been issued under Article 166 of the Constitution of India and the Karnataka Government Transaction of Business Rules on the advice of the Chief Minister. According to notification number GS 57 GOB 2026, Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar continues to hold key responsibilities. These include Finance, Cabinet Affairs, the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms, Intelligence, Information, Law, Justice and Human Rights, Parliamentary Affairs and Legislation, Agriculture, Marketing, the Commissionerate of Town and Country Planning, all urban local bodies falling under the BDA and BMR, DA areas and all unallotted portfolios. The remaining portfolios have been distributed as follows. BZ Zameer Ahmed Khan has been allotted housing. Ramalinga Reddy will handle forest, ecology and environment. Lakshman Savadi has been given cooperation, excluding agriculture marketing. Rudrappa Manappa Lamani will look after sugar and textiles. H. Muniyappa has been assigned social welfare. Shivaraj Tangadagi will handle backward classes welfare along with Kannada and Culture. UT Khader has been given minority welfare, Haj and Wakf as well as health and family welfare. T. Raghumurthy will oversee ST welfare. Dr. Ajay Singh has been allotted minor irrigation and science and technology. Cheluvarayaswamy will handle major and medium irrigation. Madhu Bangarappa has been given primary and secondary education. Basvaraj Raya Reddy will look after higher education. Shivalinge Gowda has been assigned excise from the finance department. Puttaranga Shetty will handle animal husbandry and sericulture. Vijayananda Kashappanavar has been given small-scale industries and public enterprises. Santosh Lad will oversee labor and employment. A.S. Basvanthappa has been allotted Muzrai, fisheries, ports and inland water. S.S. Mallikarjun will handle mines and geology along with horticulture. Rizwan Arshad has been given food and civil supply and consumer affairs. Narendra Swamy will look after agriculture. H.C. Balakrishna has been assigned Municipal Administration and B. Nagendra will handle planning and statistics.